Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw USDT from OKX to your bank account online in 2025. If you're holding Tether on OKX and want to convert it to real cash, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to prioritize security. Crypto can be tricky. First things first, make sure your OKX account is fully verified. You'll need to have completed KYC, know your customer, verification to withdraw funds, which helps keep things safe and compliant. Once that's done, log into your OKX account and head over to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, locate your USDT balance. Now, to withdraw to your bank, you'll typically need to sell your USDT for your local fiat currency first. Go to the Trade tab, select USDT, and use the Sell option to convert it to USD or your preferred currency. Keep an eye on the exchange rates and any fees involved. OKX might charge a small transaction fee, so check that beforehand. After selling, navigate to the Withdraw section. Select your fiat currency, enter the amount, and choose your bank account from the linked options. If your bank isn't linked yet, you might need to add it through OKX's fiat withdrawal partners. Double-check all details to avoid errors, then confirm the withdrawal with your OKX security measures, like two-factor authentication. Processing times can vary, but it usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to hit your bank account. One quick tip: always withdraw to a verified bank account to prevent any hold-ups or security issues. And remember, market volatility could affect your final amount, so plan accordingly. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and happy withdrawing.